Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to make Lotus aasan. First we have to twist the brown pipe cleaner because we have to make a circle shape and it should look different from the petals. So we are changing the texture. After twisting every brown pipe cleaner, we will make circle as big as you want. If you want to make a big lotus, you have to make big circle. I am making a medium lotus. After completing the circle, now we will make petals. First we will make big petal. Here I will try to show you if you want to make a big lotus, not of medium size, then how you can make the petal a bit longer. So here is the process. I won't make it, I will just show you how you can. This is how you can make it big by adding more pipe cleaners on it. So we are done making all the big petals. Now we will make small petals. After making all the petals, now we will attach them with the circle we have made, like this. Here I will add one more petal later because I thought adding more will look more nice. So I will add that later in the video. Here is a hack. So if you have glue gun but you feel that it creates mess, so you can use the glue stick and a lighter and you can burn it and use it. It is very convenient. I will highly recommend it. Because sometimes the B7000 glue which we use doesn't work very well. It takes a lot of time to pressure it, so we can use this technique if you're comfortable and if it's safe for you. Then after adding every petal and adjusting them, we will color it a bit from the tip. We will color it with crayon, or maybe you can use watercolor. Watercolor will look more nice. Here I am adding leaves too. You can add as many as petals, as many as leaves as you want. It completely depends on you. I'm just showing you the process. And here is your Lotus aasan ready. And we can even use straightener to give it a different shape. I haven't used in this video, but I have used in the earlier videos. You can check that out. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe.